day, Mom and Sir. I am Norodin Evangelista from Turut, Quezon, Isabela, Philippines. I am 32 years old, married. I have two sons, aged 7 and 11 years old. My husband is a driver. I am a college student. I have a two sister and one brother, and I am a third born. I have experienced work here in the Philippines for 2 years in Santiago City, Isabela, Philippines. My main job is taking care of 6 months old baby, 5 years old, 7 years old. The reason why I'm leaving because continue studying in college. I have also experienced work in other country in Dubai for 2 years. My main job is cleaning, ironing, and taking care of the twins and the triplets. The twins are girl and boy. They are 10 years old. The triplets is two boys and one girl. They are 2 years old. And I also work in Hong Kong for 6 months and a half. My main job is cleaning, cooking, washing, taking care of the baby. The reason why I'm leaving because of my family problem. My mother is very sick and I need to go home because no one can take care of my two sons. We communicate with my employer to come back if my mother is become better. But suddenly, my mother is passed away last January 25. That's why I cannot go back to my employer. And please choose me as your helper. I will do my best to do my duties and my responsibilities. I am honest, trustworthy, caring, loving, and also I promise to finish my contract. I want to go back in Hong Kong because I want to earn for the future of my two sons. I need to earn for their study. Thank you and God bless.